Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters, welcome to the journey of Quest where we quench your thirst of knowledge. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of digital forensics. It's a field that's growing rapidly and becoming more relevant than ever. Why is that, you ask? Well, because our lives are increasingly digital. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we're constantly interacting with digital devices. Digital forensics is like detective work, but for the digital world. It's about piecing together clues from our digital footprints. Imagine a crime scene, but instead of fingerprints and DNA, we're talking about ones and zeros. These digital traces can tell a story just as compelling as any physical evidence. It's about finding evidence on computers, phones, and even servers. This evidence can be crucial in solving crimes and uncovering the truth. This evidence can be anything. Deleted files, browsing history, emails, and more. Even the smallest piece of data can be a vital clue. Browsing history, emails, social media interactions, you name it. If it's digital, it can be used to solve a crime. The scope of digital forensics is vast. From smartphones to laptops and even servers, every device holds potential evidence. It's all about uncovering the truth hidden within our devices. The data we leave behind can reveal so much about our actions and intentions. And let me tell you, the truth is out there. It's just waiting to be discovered by those who know where to look. Digital forensics helps catch criminals and bring justice to victims. It's pretty amazing stuff. So next time you use your phone or computer, remember, every click leaves a trace. So who are these digital detectives? They're the unsung heroes of the tech world. Digital forensics experts are highly skilled professionals. They know how to find and analyze digital evidence. Think of them as the Sherlock Holmes of the internet. They use specialized tools and techniques. These tools help them recover deleted data, track online activity, and even piece together timelines of events. It's not just about technical skills, though. A good digital forensics expert needs to be detail-oriented. They need to be analytical and have a knack for problem-solving. But most importantly, they need to be ethical. They are dealing with sensitive information. They need to be objective and present their findings accurately and impartially. Now, let's talk about some real-world cases where digital forensics played a key role. Remember the BTK killer? He terrorized Kansas for decades. Guess what finally led to his arrest? A deleted file on a floppy disk. And then there's the case of the Sony Pictures hack. Digital forensics helped trace the attack back to North Korea. It provided crucial evidence in that high-profile case. These are just a couple of examples. Digital forensics is used in a wide range of investigations. We're talking fraud, hacking, even terrorism. It's even used in civil cases like intellectual property disputes. The point is, digital forensics is everywhere. It's an essential tool for law enforcement, businesses, and individuals seeking justice. So, what kind of tools do these digital detectives use? Well, it's not all Hollywood magic, but it's close. They use specialized software and hardware to do their job. One common tool is a forensic disk imager. This creates an exact copy of a hard drive or other storage device. This is important because it ensures that the original evidence is never altered. Then there's data recovery software. This helps recover deleted files even if they've been emptied from the recycle bin. It's like magic, but it's science. And of course, no digital forensics toolkit would be complete without network analysis tools. These tools help investigators track network traffic and identify suspicious activity. Section 5. Data recovery, piecing together the digital puzzle. Data recovery is a huge part of digital forensics. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, but with bits and bytes instead of cardboard pieces. Sometimes the data is simply deleted, but it hasn't been overwritten yet. In these cases, recovery is relatively straightforward, but other times it's more complicated. Criminals can use encryption or data wiping tools to try to cover their tracks. This is where things get really challenging. But fear not. Digital forensics experts have ways of getting around these obstacles. They use sophisticated techniques to recover data from damaged devices, or even from the cloud. Section 6. Navigating the legal landscape, admissibility of evidence. Now here's the thing about digital evidence. It's a crucial part of modern legal proceedings. It's not enough to just find it. The process of gathering digital evidence is meticulous and requires precision. You have to be able to use it in court. This means the evidence must be presented in a way that is both understandable and convincing to the jury. And that's where things can get tricky. The legal standards for digital evidence are stringent. You see, digital evidence is fragile. It can be easily altered or tampered with, which can compromise its integrity. It can be easily altered or tampered with. Even a small change can render the evidence inadmissible. So, there are strict rules about how it needs to be collected and handled. These rules are designed to preserve the evidence's authenticity. This is called the chain of custody. It's a critical process in ensuring the evidence remains untampered. It's a detailed log that tracks who had access to the evidence and what they did with it. Every step is documented meticulously. This helps ensure that the evidence is admissible in court. Without a proper chain of custody, the evidence could be dismissed. Digital forensics experts need to be aware of all these legal requirements. They must stay updated with the latest legal standards and practices. They need to make sure that their work meets the highest standards of integrity and reliability. This ensures that the evidence they present can withstand legal scrutiny and be deemed credible in court. Section 7. The human element, skills and expertise in digital forensics. Now, as impressive as all these tools and techniques are, let's not forget the most important element in digital forensics, the human element. Yes, technology plays a crucial role, but it's the skills and expertise of the investigator that truly make the difference. They need to be able to think critically and creatively. They need to be able to connect the dots and see the bigger picture. They also need to be able to communicate their findings clearly and effectively, both verbally and in writing. So, while the tools may evolve, the need for skilled and experienced digital forensics experts will only continue to grow in the years to come. Section 8. The future of forensics. Emerging trends and technologies. Speaking of the future, let's talk about what lies ahead for digital forensics. The landscape of this field is evolving rapidly, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. As technology continues to advance at a breakneck pace, so too will the field of digital forensics. The tools and techniques used today may soon be outdated, replaced by more sophisticated and efficient methods. One major trend is the increasing use of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword, it's becoming an integral part of digital forensics. AI can help automate tasks such as data analysis and pattern recognition, making investigations faster and more efficient. This means that what used to take days or even weeks can now be accomplished in a matter of hours. Another exciting development is the rise of blockchain forensics. Blockchain technology, known for its role in cryptocurrencies, is now being leveraged for forensic purposes. As cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology become more prevalent, so too will the need for investigators who can trace transactions and track down cybercriminals operating in this space. This requires a deep understanding of both the technology and the methods used by criminals. And let's not forget about the Internet of Things. The IoT is expanding at an unprecedented rate, connecting everything from household appliances to industrial machines. With billions of connected devices generating massive amounts of data, digital forensics experts will have their work cut out for them. They will need to develop new strategies and tools to handle the sheer volume and complexity of the data generated by these devices. The future of digital forensics is both challenging and exciting, promising new opportunities and advancements. Section 9. The importance of cybersecurity, protecting our digital lives. Now, with all this talk about digital forensics and cybercrime, it's important to remember that prevention is always better than cure. That's where cybersecurity comes in. By taking proactive steps to secure our devices and networks, we can make it much harder for criminals to succeed. This includes using strong passwords, keeping our software up to date, and being wary of phishing scams. It's also crucial to educate ourselves and others about the importance of cybersecurity. By working together, we can create a safer and more secure digital world for everyone. Section 10. Unlocking the potential digital forensics for everyone. So there you have it. Digital forensics is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field that plays a vital role in our increasingly digital world. From catching criminals to protecting our online lives, digital forensics is more important than ever before. And as technology continues to advance, the possibilities for this field are truly limitless. So the next time you hear about a cybercrime or see a digital forensics expert on TV, you'll have a better understanding of the crucial work they do. And remember, by staying informed and taking steps to protect ourselves online, we can all play a part in making the digital world a safer place for everyone. Thanks for watching us share our videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and stay curious for new uploads.